Hello, how are you doing? You are welcome here. If you are new, please subscribe. It's free for you, but it helps us so much. If you have already subscribed, thank you for doing that. Uhawe ikaze hano, niba uri mushya ndagusabye kora subscribe n'ubuntu kuri wowe, ariko biradufasha cyane. Niba wararangije gukora subscribe, warakoze cyane kubikora. I love you. Ndabakunda cyane. Okay. English grammar test or exercise. Practice your English. Where a dash you go last weekend? Choose from A, B, C. Okay. Answer is located on B. Did. This is English grammar. You may practice your English level by focusing on these videos. You are welcome. I'm Teacher Faustin. I ate a letter last Friday. You may write I wrote because the sentence is in past tense. She ate up early on a trip last week. The sentence also is in past tense. You may choose the verb in past tense. Yes, the answer is located on C. She walked. The next sentence is he ate his name on a paper. What can I choose among those given words from ABC? Yes, thank you so much. The answer is located on A, signed, because the sentence is in past tense. This is a past tense sentence to choose the verb concerning with it. I'm a my garden. Yes, because we are in past tense, we may choose letter B, H, watering my garden, because a sentence is in present continuous. My brother will dash money from me. Choose the word from A, B, C. Remember the sentence is in future. We may select A, will borrow. The next sentence is she will dash my breakfast in the morning. Because of will, this sentence is in future tense. We may choose letter C. Yes, good. Will cook. The next sentence is present perfect. She has a hamburger for dinner. What can I choose? We may choose letter C because of ordered. Yes, the sentence is in present perfect. The manager was the number of guests. This is a past continuous. We may choose one among them. The answer is located on A, counting. Was counting. The next sentence is about they in a play every year. Choose from A, B, C. The best word to be there is act A. Good, thank you so much. Choose the best from A, B, C. Asked. Can you dash the teacher the question? Yes, the answer is located on B. Can you ask the teacher the question? What can I choose among from A, B, C? We dash for our trip to Europe. What can I choose? Good. We packed for our trip to Europe. The next video, we dash to take a walk now. Choose the word from A, B, C. Okay. Answer is C. We are going to take a walk now. The next, thank you so much.